You tell me what up, come on, alright. In the club. Wave, homie, thank you. You too! Okay, F you, son of a slut. I don't think I should say son of a slut. It sounds Limbo, Huracan. Sounds a little harsh. Thank you. What is that, another Aston Martin? It's because there's an Aston Martin dealership in there. That's why you guys are starting to see a lot more. Because the Aston Martin dealership. We got a G-Wagon cruising it up. Oh, is that the Uterus? No, is that a Panamera? I can't tell. Ducati multi-shot. I like it. I like it. We made eye-to-eye contact, man. Eye-to-eye. Eye-to-eye. Beamer. I like it. What up? What do we got? What do we got? And we got nothing. We got nothing. We got nothing. Besides the Panamera, we got a Porsche. That wasn't a Lambo then. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. We get a Tesla. And see, when I'm riding, it feels so good, so calm, so sexy, so nice, so cold and cool. Calm and collect. But when I stop, it just starts burning up. And it's not because of the bike, it's the temperature. I know that says 75 on there, but it is not 75 because I don't sweat like this when it's 75. No, don't worry, it's not a car. It's just, is it the bike that it's heating up and that's making me sweat? I doubt it though. I highly doubt it. The R6 Kakarot, she flames up like anything, you know, flame on, but I never sweat like this. Alright, are we all decided, besides this guy in the white, that we're gonna go slow? When do we get on this? When do we make this agreement? If you could please tell me, bonjour! If you could please tell me, man, I am so wet right now, flooded with sweat. Where can a homie get some Febreze, man? Where can a homie get some Febreze? I saw this homie coming speeding it. I'm not gonna let that happen. Not on my streets. Dude, if you swap lanes again, I swear, on God, we're about to get on fleek on your booty. Doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense. But I said it, so it does make sense. So it does. Please open. I don't want to stop. God, tell him. Thank you. By him, I meant whoever's controlling this light, because we know there ain't no computer control. Homie's not opening for motorcycles. Somebody sitting by there and be like, I ain't gonna open for you, dog. Put your shirt back on. Nothing worth looking at. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna gun it all the way through. You turn it, come back, and then go all the way there, and yeah, let's do that. That gonna be fun. It gonna be metal. I was gonna wave to you, homie. You ain't you looking at me, but you ain't looking at me like that. Oh man, you got the vest on. Got the vest on. Wait, is that a girl? I think it's a girl. Oh, he closed it. He closed that girl. Dude, that is being loud for no reason. But I respect it. He want to be heard, man. What up, dog? There you go. We get the He nodded. I nodded him back. Love. You tell me what up. Come on. All right. I like that. Like, what you waiting on, homie? Thank you. This right here is the example of what peer pressure looks like. What is that, a ZX or what? Oh, they're both on the same one. But this one's suited up, gunned up, and the other one is doing his own thing. You guys are looking at live peer pressure. Live peer pressure. Well, that is too tight, man. pressure you guys are looking at right now. Thank you. Would I have done it if he wasn't here? Nah, I wouldn't have done it. Because I'm telling you, I don't want to break these, man. I don't want to break them. No blinker or anything. Gsxr, I would never believe that would be a Gsxr. But he looks good, I like him. Would I make love to him? Not yet, not yet. I did like the hand thing, like, come on buddy, I like that. Either that or he just hated me. That's for him. That's for him, man. I hope you guys are enjoying the live peer pressure. The live peer pressure. Hayabusa. Busa, busa. 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 Broly, please, let me be cool for once in my life. There you go. I like that. Gsxr. Peer pressure buddies. He's got J's on with a race suit. And I like it. I like it. I'm not a vest kind of guy like him or her, but I like him. Gsxr. But that's right there, homie. Peer pressure and thumbnail. Boom. Or we'll see. I don't know. One of the selections of thumbnails. If this isn't a thumbnail where I just showed you this view angle, then just know that this was one of the angles I was looking at when I was deciding. He wheelied, but if you had a rear camera, you guys could see that. Oh man, don't peer pressure me again to do this. I'm acting like I'm busy looking over there so he'll go ahead of me. No, Tesla. No, no, no. Ooh, a Shelby. I like that. AMG. That might be a GTR. Shelby was the one that Kakarot, clowned on. So I'm guessing this guy and the other guy are not riding together. But we'll go up a little bit more, then we're going to turn around because peer pressure is enough. And we got a McLaren coming up. Maybe that's going to be the thumbnail. I ain't know, dog. I ain't know. That is a hooker. Where's the other guy? He zoomed out of here like Boosie. He is Boosie. He just went, gone, bitch, we gone, we out of here. Count money, we gone. We got a Lotus. We got a girl on there. We got a Lotus. Nice. Girl, a little bit more and then we'll turn. Is my homie her or not? Is he there? I can't tell. No, he probably zoomed up. Yeah, I don't think he's there. I would have heard him on his Gsxr. Gsxr. But yeah, guys, that was a live representation and presentation, all nations, of what peer pressure looks like. I'm glad you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I didn't talk as much because I had to concentrate. It's not that I can't lane split and cut like that. I just don't prefer it because you never know. It's more dangerous. The stakes are higher. And I'm not in a rush. I don't commute on a motorcycle. I honestly don't give a flying F to lane split unless there's something worth cutting for. And cutting means lane splitting. In motorcycle terms, in other terms, it means love making. And the cut buddy means love making buddy. If you guys, I'll teach you stuff. I teach you stuff. I don't recommend riding like that. I really don't. It's not safe. And for what reason? Like, I can't. Yeah, you want to cut through traffic and stuff, but I wait until, like, my style of lane splitting is wait until it's a red light, and then since all the cars are stopping, if any car does move, you'll catch it like anything. So quick. My reflexes are like a feline, a cat, a kitty cat, a gato, or perro, gato. Alright, I catch everything because of God. But I just wanted to say that to you guys. That's just my style of riding. I don't do cutting while traffic is moving unless I need to. And if I need to, I can do it like anything. Because you already know your boy is as ghetto as he is. That's how good of a rider he is. He's as good of a rider as he is ghetto. If that makes any and all sense. But I still had fun. I don't know if you guys, let me know if you guys ride like that or not. I honestly recommend don't, because whenever I'm driving in a car and people cut like that, it is for sure scary as hell, man. Because you sometimes they zoom so quickly, and it's not like you don't see them, or it's not like you, no, it's not like you want to hurt them. It's just like you don't see them. So I highly recommend that don't ride like that or like the way I just did. I just wanted to show you guys, and I like the little imitation he gave me with his hand. Either that or he's trying to stop the booty and he missed, and he was just like, God damn, with his hand, why you do that injustice to me kind of thing. Kind of thing, not thing. Why so ghetto all the time, man? Can we cut in the butt? Yeah, we can cut. Over here, we're gonna pop a biscuit because I don't want to risk it. And then we just go here. Thank you. One group ride's done, there's another one right there. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Remember to subscribe only because you love me, because I love you. Until next time, this is Riding Insane, flashing it, exposing it, showing it off to the world. What? My heart and love. Because there's too much hate out there. So, as always, spread love, not hate. And I'm out. Peace.